The 2023 W-4 for a person that's single, making $60,000 a year, has one child, filing status is head of household. Let's go. Go to irs.gov and click tax withholding estimator. We're going to select head of household. Do you have a job that regularly withholds federal income taxes? Yes. Select any that will apply. Keep in mind she has one child, so we're going to do I plan to claim dependents and click next. It now asks about income and withholding. How many jobs will you have? She has one. It is an hourly job. Okay, she will hold this job all year, January 1st through December 31st, and she is paid twice monthly. Again, you need your most recent paycheck stub in front of you. Her last check was January the 13th, and her last paycheck was a good representation of how much she earned on average each pay period. Next, we're going to enter wages per pay period and wages earned year to date. Keep in mind, this is her first check of 2023. She's making $2,500 per pay period, and so year to date, we're also going to put $2,500 only because this is her first paycheck. This number will change as you continue to get paid throughout the year. It says, based on the information provided, it looks like you make about $57,500. So the calculator is a little bit off. I'm going to put no and enter in the $60,000. Federal taxes pay is $450. Year to date is the same only because this is her first check. In this example, we are going to select that she contributes to a 401k and she puts in $100 per pay period. No other sources of income. Click none of the above and hit next. She does not qualify for any other adjustments, so we're going to hit next. Standard or itemized deductions. She's going to take the standard, hit next. Step 5 of 6, we're talking tax credits, child independent care credits. It asks you to enter the age the child will be December 31st. We put 10 years old. Child independent care credit. Enter the number of qualifying children for the child independent care credit. If you do not know if you qualify, hit that question mark. It opens it up and even links you to more information on the IRS website. In this example, the child qualifies. Now let's talk about qualifying work-related child care expenses. Do the same thing. Hit that question mark. It opens up like this and it tells you the total expenses that you may use to calculate the credit may not be more than $3,000 for one qualifying individual and $6,000 for two or more. We put $3,000 there to cover her childhood expenses. For the earned income tax credit, we hit that question mark and we realize based on the link on the IRS website that the child does not qualify. Her results show a projected refund of $9,295. Slide the adjuster tool to determine if you want that throughout the year, at the end of the year, or both. It shows you exactly what to put on your paper form.